A major development is unfolding in the Middle East, drawing global attention after reports of a significant strike on a high-value defense-related facility in Israel. According to multiple regional sources, Iran has claimed responsibility for what it describes as a large-scale operation targeting a key weapons production site. The claim suggests that the objective was to disrupt critical manufacturing capabilities tied to national defense infrastructure. At this stage, official confirmations remain limited, and much of the information is based on early reports and claims circulating through regional media. However, what is being described points to a potentially serious incident involving one of the country's important industrial complexes. Sources monitoring the situation indicate that multiple impact points may have been involved, suggesting a coordinated or highly precise strike pattern. Witness accounts referenced by regional channels describe loud explosions followed by visible fires and smoke rising from sections of the facility. Emergency response teams were reportedly deployed shortly after the incident, working to contain fires and secure the surrounding area. In industrial environments like this, the presence of sensitive equipment and materials can make firefighting and damage control significantly more challenging. Initial assessments suggest that several parts of the complex may have been affected, including operational zones, storage areas, and support infrastructure. In facilities of this scale, even limited damage can disrupt broader systems due to the interconnected nature of production processes. Analysts note that when key infrastructure is impacted, the effects are not always immediate, but can extend over time. Disruptions to equipment, power systems, or internal networks may slow or halt operations even in sections that appear structurally intact. The broader implications are also being closely watched. Incidents involving critical infrastructure tend to trigger security reviews and heightened alert levels across similar sites. Authorities are expected to conduct detailed inspections to understand the extent of the damage and evaluate the condition of remaining systems. Such assessments can take time, especially when safety concerns and structural risks are involved. Meanwhile, observers are focusing on the potential long-term impact. Restoring large industrial facilities often requires extensive repairs, specialized equipment, and careful coordination, which can delay a full return to normal operations. At the same time, the situation adds another layer of tension to an already sensitive region. Developments like this can influence strategic decisions, shift security priorities, and raise concerns about possible next steps. For now, many details remain unconfirmed, and the full picture is still emerging. But what is clear is that this reported strike represents a notable escalation, with potential consequences that extend beyond a single location. As more verified information becomes available, the world will be watching closely to understand not just what happened, but what could happen next. Because in geopolitics, events like this rarely exist in isolation. They often shape the direction of what follows.